Hi guys, I am in the Leicester mini dress. I put this on because I just think it's so perfect for the new year that's coming. Actually not as short as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be one of those things where it was going to be inappropriate for a mom to wear. Because it's kind of stretchy, it doesn't feel, it's lined, but the overall, it doesn't feel like confined, like I can't eat too much, you know what I'm talking about? So this one has the balloon long sleeves with the elastic kind of all throughout, and then this is elastic as well. And then they have this kind of keyhole detail here with like this under, just a little sexy for some little under cleavage. I'm not wearing a bra with this and I feel very secure. I don't know why I feel like the small sequence just looks prettier because it's more glittery. And yeah, so this is it. Just want to show you again. If you have any questions, please let us know and just comment below. Thanks guys.